start off with what do we know on PhilHealth end. Okay? Sa side ng equation on PhilHealth. So, it's basically like this. I'm going to simplify. Number 1. Okay? PhilHealth will pay the hospital based on requirements. Napakasimple lang po nun. Okay? So, your claims will be paid for as long as you can provide the requirements needed dun ho sa claim. Okay? Malinaw ho yan, ha? Okay. If you agree with me, okay, type yes. Okay? PhilHealth will pay you if you can provide the requirements. Ganun lang. If you agree with me, can you please type yes? If you do not agree, type no. Okay, thank you very much. So, yes, yes, yes. Kasi ho, yung insurance na very specific si PhilHealth, puro lang ho yan checklist. Okay? They will pay you for as long as you can provide. Okay? Kung ano yung hihingi nila. So, the challenge here is that, can you provide kung ano yung hinihingi nila? Okay? That's number 1. Okay? We will not complicate things anymore. Kasi nga, insurance lang si PhilHealth. Next ho, na alam natin. Okay? Eto. PhilHealth is consistent in being inconsistent. Okay? I do not mean to bash PhilHealth. Hindi ho ito paninira. Okay? So, I want you to understand, if you're running a hospital, tanggapin ho ninyo na si PhilHealth ho is consistent in being inconsistent. Ganun ho ang buhay. Dahil pag hindi ho ninyo tinanggap itong prinsipyong ito, sasakit lang yung ulo ninyo. Now, ano ho yung basis dito? Okay? For example, if you recall, the shift from fee-for-service, okay? If you recall ho, the shift from fee-for-service ho to case rate, okay? Ano ho yung problema? So, yung medical evaluation ng fee-for-service, okay, was actually the reason bakit delay ho yung claims. Dahil ini-evaluate. So, because of that, pinalitan ho. So, the case rate, the case-based payment, the goal was to pay the hospitals fast. Yan ho yung goal nun. When we implemented that, okay, ang tinutumbok talaga nun, submit kayo ng claim, bayaran ho kayo ASAP. Okay? So, ano nangyari sa medical evaluation? Nilagay ho yan sa post-audit. Pay the hospitals first, and then audit it later. Yan ho ang intention. So, that is why, yung ibang hospitals ho, may mga legal cases, no? Way back 2016, 2017. Kasi ho yan yung design ng all case rate. Pay now, audit later. So, yan ho ang usapan. So, ano ho nangyari? Diba? So, pumasok ngayon yung CF4. So, yung CF4, okay, is pre-payment. I-review and then babayaran kayo. So, yun ang dilema. Yang sabi dati, pay now and review later. Ngayon ho, sa CF4, okay, review now, saka ho babayad. So, bumalik ho. Okay? Ano pa? Ano pa ang basis ng consistent and being inconsistent? E-claims. The promise of e-claims was a paperless transaction wherein sana, once encoded, we just transmit it to PhilHealth. That's very basic. But unfortunately, so the e-claims, specific for the CF4, you encode the CF4, but you still scan, okay, the actual form. So, pina-encode ka na, isa-scan mo pa. Okay? Ano pa? Portal. Okay? Portal. Pag sinabi ng PBEF, yes, dapat automatic na, yes. Okay, sinabi ni PBEF, yes. Pero, claim RTH. Okay? Member not qualified. O, di ba? Ang saya-saya. So, sabi, COVID, we will pay. Okay? Everything. O, di ba? COVID, we will pay everything. Okay? COVID, okay, we will not pay everything. Okay? So, ganun ho yung buhay. Okay?